Recording in progress.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to our growth room session tonight. It says the positive power of now, of no. Now, this is a talk that I've been wanting to do for quite a while because that is something that stops so many people from moving forward in their life. Doesn't matter what it is. That one word, that one little word called no. It makes such a big impact in people's lives and it destroys so many dreams and vision. That one little word. So tonight I've compiled a quick bit of a talk on this. I am Friedrich Motlo Comedy van Rensburg. I'm from Hartbeespoort. I am the founder of Ananta X, and we are building something incredible. So Tuesday and Thursday evenings at 7, we do presentations on Ananta X. What is Ananta X? It is a club membership that now buys every member gold. Anyway, there was a post on one of the groups. Yes, gold has now reached an all-time high. And that's okay. It's going to come down, up, down. But eventually, gold is one of the most stablest commodities out there. And that's why we have now put in each Ananta X member in the position to start accumulating gold every single month. But that's not what this is tonight. The positive power of no. So, a couple of questions. How can I link something positive to no? Because no is negative. And that's not the truth. No is not negative, and I'm going to cover a whole bunch of that tonight. So I'm really excited about this talk. So please note, and I want to say this publicly, I do use AI from time to time, but these talks are mine. It's not something that is generated there somewhere. No, no, no. It's very skilledly crafted to bring you ideas and thoughts that is in my head that I want to, kind of bring over to the Ananta X family. So everything I do is related to Ananta X. I am Ananta X. I live it, I breathe it, I eat it, I drink it. I am Ananta X. Not that I'm the founder. It's got nothing to do with that. That is why this product is so powerful. Now, I've been around the world, not the world, around business. I've done network marketing, I've done direct selling, I've done sales, I've done corporate, I've done a whole bunch of stuff, had some success, had some this. And at the end of the day, I walked away from everything because I got hurt again. People stole my money and I was sick and tired. So I left everything and I went back to work. I've got a pharmaceutical background, so I went back into the pharmacies. I was there for a couple of months and realized this is not what I want. So I stepped back. And out of that frustration, out of that negativity, with a lot of prayer and crying and weeping and praying and crying, out of that, Ananta X was born 3 years ago. Launched November 2022 November. Anyway, so this little word, if you kind of get this tonight, I'm telling you, your world is going to be absolutely different. So let's start with something honest. So everything I say, I put on the slides. So that's easier for people to follow. So let's start with something honest. There will always be no's, always, no matter who you are, no matter what you do, no matter how good the opportunities, no matter how good anything is, there will always be no. Even if you apply for a job, you'll hear no. If people pitch a business idea, you'll hear no. If people ask for feedback, you'll hear no. If people invite somebody to come and have a look at something, you will hear no. So the presence of no does not mean failure. It means movement. If you are getting no's, it means you are doing something. A no is not a stop sign, it is a data point. Why we think no is negative? Psychologically, humans fear rejection because we want to be liked, we want certainty, we want control. But here's the truth. Most no's are not personal. People say no because they don't understand yet. They are afraid of change. People are feeling overwhelmed and they've been hurt before. Or it is just simply not their timing. So a lot of times, no means not now. It doesn't mean never. So reframing no the right way. So instead of us hearing, so if I kind of talk to people, now I'm going to bring that back to Ananta X. If I kind of talk to people about Ananta X and they say no, I don't, if they say no, they're not rejecting me. I'm not hearing that. I hear that they are protected in their comfort zone. They feel safe where they are. They don't want movement. They don't want change. And that is a huge difference. So when somebody says no to Ananta X, they're not saying no to me or to you. They are saying no to something new, something that's unfamiliar, something that might just seem too good to be true. Because we are talking about now every membership automatically buys you gold. When people hear that, they kind of think, no, it's unfamiliar. It's something that they don't trust yet. And that's normal because confidence grows when you stop taking no personally. I've said it so many times. And I say that with a lot of respect. If I approach somebody and they say no to me, I don't care. I love them. I don't care. Just say yes or no so you can get either in with us or just get out of our way. Because there's a whole Ananta future out there. We are talking about legacy builders. We are talking about something that is going to absolutely directly change your life. Absolutely. It is going to change your life if you keep on going. Now, I talk about maths a lot. I love maths. Figures don't lie. So, yeah, this is where no becomes powerful in any structured system. Not everybody says yes, and that is the rule, that's the law of average. And listen carefully. And they don't need to. For example, if I talk to 10 people, I might get 3 yeses. If I talk to 20 says, if I talk 6, if I talk to 50, I'm going to get some momentum. If I talk to 100 people, I'm going to have real impact. Because every no brings you closer to the next yes. But people are so scared to start. They're so scared to talk to people because they are scared of that 2-letter word is no. That little word, that fright of that being scared of that one little word is keeping people from their destinies. It is keeping people from lives that is going to be incredible. So every no brings you closer to a yes. Now that I know this is the truth, a no is not wasted effort. No is part of the filtering. I understand I will get no's on the way to the yes. But if somebody is too scared for the no, they will never get a yes. Because theoretically, if anybody looks at Ananta X as a product, as a club membership, there's no way that anybody can say no. There is no way. There's no way. 3,000 Rand in grocery coupons, 48 hours private tutorship for your kids. 48 hours per month. Private ambulance cover. We've got health and funerals and training and education, gold, wallets, everything. I'm going to connect this back to Ananta X. Let's bring this home. With Ananta X, you don't need everyone. That's a scary thought. Some people that I love with my heart said no to me because they didn't understand. They didn't want to hear something from me because we were somewhere together and we got hurt. Now they're using that pain as an excuse. I didn't. You don't need to convince anybody. You don't need pressure on people. The first goal is simple. Get to a point where your membership is covered through your rewards. That means you've got a free membership. Plus, you still accumulate gold every single month. So if you look at it, you are then basically getting everything for free. Now, that alone reduces the pressure. Once I've got my 4, my rewards is enough to cover my payment, which means I don't have any pressure. I'm not worried at month end that I've got to pay a membership. I'm not worried about that anymore. I haven't been for a very long time. It builds confidence. If people said, I don't know, I said, listen, Lisa, listen. What do you, anyway, we talk different. It creates momentum because people can't tell us any other stories. And guess what? To get there, you will hear no, and that's okay. What is the yes that matters the most? Here's the most important thing that you need to understand tonight. The first and most important yes is not from other people, it is from you. You're going to say, yes, I will stay consistent. Yes, I will keep inviting. Yes, I won't let a no stop me. And yes, I trust the process. When you believe in the value of Ananta X, like most people on this call tonight, we are bulletproof. Nobody can even remotely try and tell us anything else. I've experienced the grocery discounts personally. They can't tell me anything else. I'm saving on my short-term insurance a lot of money as an Ananta X member. They can't tell me anything else. I'm not listening because I've got belief. So when you believe, your tone changes. Your body language changes. Your expectation changes. And people feel certainty more than they hear words. There was somebody on the property today, 2 people. I just went up to them and I said, hey, if I could show you a way to get gold and savings every month with no risk, would you look? Guess what they said? Yes. Now I'm going to take them through the process. I'm using the 5-step system. I'm not clever. Well, I am clever, but I mean, I'm not that clever. I'm not, the kingpin. I'm not the big guru. No, I don't want to be the guru. I want the system to be the guru. So I'm taking them through the 5-step system. I want to get them in, and I want to get through it as quickly as I can to get either a yes or a no. I don't care. Just answer the question. Do you want the membership if you go through the process, yes or no? If it's yes, let's go. Do you want to be a member or a trailblazer, a builder or a member? Let's go. If it's no, goodbye. But if it's no, I don't care about their opinion. Listen carefully. I don't mean any disrespect. There is nothing that they can remotely try and tell me to get me off Ananta X because I have experienced it personally. I know the value. I don't care what they say. I love them. That's why I leave. If it's a no, I'm gone. I don't stay. Because then you're going to get it. Yeah, it's got to be like this. And, I was in company this and that 20 years ago and I got hurt because I don't care. I'm not interested. What's the compounding effect of yes? One yes leads to another, and then their yeses leads to other yeses. And those yeses are going to lead to volume. And volume leads to stability. Stability leads to rewards, and rewards leads to incentives, which is travel, income, and lifestyle. It's not going to happen overnight, but eventually, if you don't stop and you keep on going, you don't build something incredible by avoiding no. You build it by walking through them. That's why if anybody gets to a point where they're not afraid of getting a no, your life will change. You will become unstoppable. You will become bulletproof. You will go diamond and beyond in an X. What small actions can I take now that I know that there will be people that says no. Now my brain breaks. I can't understand it. How can anybody say no? But it will happen to you, guaranteed. There are unfortunately people, and please, maybe it's not the right time. We don't know what's going on. Maybe somebody's going through a divorce and we don't know. Maybe they've lost a loved one and we don't know. Maybe whatever. So we are trusting the 5-step system to keep us professionally. Small actions. The first one is to take ownership of one decision. I have decided not to let no stop me from changing my life. Now, you can decide to stay engaged, to learn, to be consistent. Pick one. Number 2, we're going to use the ecosystem because value creates belief. I'm going to use every single benefit that I can, as much as I can, ongoing, continuously. I will not stop. If I don't have the funeral, I can't talk about it. If I don't have the health, I can't talk about it. If I haven't used the coupons, I can't help out anybody. If I haven't done an insurance quote and gotten over 1,400 Rand a month discount on my premium, trust me, I'm bulletproof. I am bulletproof. There's nothing on planet Earth that can change my mind because of the value. Number 3, we need to learn a little every single week. Here's something I need to tell you tonight. We are not strong enough. We are born neutral. This world is negative and we are fighting like crazy to stay positive. You cannot let one day go by without doing something to help you stay positive. It might be listening. Now, I've got a couple of songs that I absolutely love. Now, most of them are gospel songs. I don't really listen to other music. I listen to gospel. There's a couple of songs. I had kind of a thing today, and I was thinking about a lot of other stuff, and the launch and all this kind of stuff, and I felt just something. So at that point, I was in the car and I put my song on. A minute later, man, I was raving in the car. I was singing with this song. I was praising, worshiping my King. My day absolutely changed. So you have to find something. Maybe it's a video. Maybe it's a song. Maybe it is talking to somebody positive, reading a book every day, every week. And from us, the growth rooms, the trainings, the Zoom. Do you have to introduce 1 or 2 people? That's a start. Yeah, but Frikkie, what if both says no? Who cares? Then we talk to 1 or 2 more. I don't care. I need the numbers. I need 4, then I've got a free membership. So if I've got to talk to 6 or 8, I don't care. Let's go. I don't want to pay. I want enough rewards to cover my membership, because I can tell everybody everything I've got's free. Yes, I pay my membership, but my rewards, I get it back. I get it back. I don't pay. Do you hear what I'm saying? I'm bulletproof, but introduce at least 1 or 2 people. Start. Use the 5-step system. It will protect you. Think simple numbers. Don't think, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to sign. No. If you've got 10 people, if you've got 4 people, it's enough to cover your membership. If you've got 10 people, personally, you're earning 1,000 Rand. If I've got 50, I'm earning 5,000. If I've got 100, I'm earning 10,000. How much do you want to earn? My personal goal eventually is to have 1,000 people in my front line. That's going to pay me 100,000 Rand a month. Now, is 1,000 people going to say yes? Probably not. I don't care. I don't care if I've got to talk to 2,000, 5,000, 10. I don't care. Just bring it. I've got the goal. We need to focus on consistency, not speed. Small actions. I would rather talk to 1 or 2 people every day, instead of talking to 500 at once. Small steps, but consistency. That's like if you've got a child. If you don't talk to your child or your husband, your wife, your spouse, your mom, your dad, if you don't talk to them every now and again, you're going to become strangers. How do people become life partners? They talk every single day as much as they can. Consistency. Position for the long term. And AnteX is built for long term, not quick fix. There's so many of these quick fixes. Just quickly do this and and then what? It's gone. No. 2026 is not about rushing. It's about consistently doing. Gold accumulates. We can accumulate gold every month. Skills. We learn the skills. I'm actually starting from next week, Monday. There's one session I want to do. I'm going to do a session, a growth room training on the 7 skills that you need to become very, very powerful. Starting next week, probably. Final question. What is one small action that you or I will commit to after tonight? When it comes to an AnteX, are you going to commit to saying, you know what, I'm going to at least attend 1 Zoom every week. I'm going to attend growth room. I'm going to reach out to 1 person a day. How long does that take? How long does it take to type 1 message, to copy and paste it? How long does that take? 20 seconds. But you have to commit to something. I'm going to read every day. I'm going to grow every day. I'm going to start writing every day. I'm going to attend whatever. So write it down and start. So in closing this, so tonight, please remember this. No is not rejection. To get a no is not personal. It is not failure. It is not negative. If you get a no, it is feedback from somebody. A lot of time a no is because they're scared. And the 5-step system is going to protect you. It is filtering. It's me move. Now it's my personal goal to have 1,000 front line. So in order to do that, if I just sit every day and say, I want 1,000, I want 1,000, nothing is happening. If I start talking to 1 person a day, I'm getting closer. I get 1, hey, I need 999. I'm going to get 10, I need 990. Eventually I've got 100, hey, I only need 900. Eventually I'm going to get 200, hey, I only need 800 to reach my personal frontline goal. But I will get no's. That is the truth. So if I'm scared of that little 2-word, that little 2-letter word, I will never reach my goals. I will never grow. I will never move forward. Do you know how many people have told me, no, that this will never work? What? This Ananta thing, it will never work. People that I trust, people that I love told me personally to my face, this will never work. I said, I love you. Now, please get out of my way because I'm not listening to your broke opinion. I know the truth. And that, to me, part of my life is Ananta X. You can't change my mind. So either get out of my way or you are going to be in my way. Think about that. So we have to obviously become professional. Don't let fear of no stop you from reaching the yeses. You need 4 yeses. 4. And that's enough rewards to cover your membership, and your gold still runs. Because the yeses will change your confidence. It will change your positioning. It will change your future. The closing statement of this, it says, if the value makes sense, keep going. If you don't see the value in Ananta X, please do not join. Don't register. If you don't see the value, then this is not for you. I can't see why. Let me ask some questions. How many people would love up to 3,000 Rand a month in grocery vouchers? Everybody. How many people would love the security of private ambulance cover? Everybody. How many people would absolutely love the idea of starting to collect gold every single month? Everybody. But you will get a no, and it's not personal. The no's are temporary. The structure, the yeses, are permanent. And on that basis, we are going to build a future next to none. Because in the structure, if everybody gets 4, we've got a 5 milestone or 5 level rewards program for those that want to do that. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Build it up 5 levels. You're earning over 23,000 Rand a month. You haven't sold anything. You can't sell. There's nothing to sell. You can't buy stock. You don't have stuff in your boot. You don't have to worry about anything. It's a 100% online business. Everything. Without leaving your house, you can go diamond and beyond with the systems that we've got in place. Anyway, I'm going to stop this for now. We'll have a quick Q&A, and then we'll chat about that. So don't let one little word stop you from reaching your full potential. And just before I close this, sometimes a no hurts. Sometimes you're going to really talk to people that you love and trust and respect. And they're going to look you straight in the face and they're going to tell you no. And then immediately after, they're going to try and sell you some other rubbish. It happened to me. But I'm bulletproof. I don't care. I don't care what you have. Ananta X, to me, for me, is as close to the perfect vehicle, business, opportunity, structure, safe, secure, no risk, no selling, that can absolutely dramatically change my life. And when it comes to Ananta X, what you see is what you get. There's nothing hidden. You know, it's not when somebody gets in and a month later says, oh, listen, wait, no. Now you've got to pay for this and you've got to do, no. It doesn't work that way. What you see is what you get. And a lot of times people don't see it, but I'm here to tell you tonight, they will. Those people will come back to you. They will, when they see what's happening, when the eyes goes open and they realize what this is. So anyway, I'm going to close this recording. I'll see you guys on the Zooms. We'll have a quick Q&A and we'll take it from there.